Welcome to the University of South Carolina. Bienvenidos a la Universidad de South Carolina. Ni hao. Regardless of your primary language, your cultural background, your academic experiences, I welcome you in joining us here at the University of South Carolina. We are so happy to have you. I am happy to have you as a colleague, and there are many throughout the campus and the provost office, the Center for Teaching Excellence, known also as the CTE. We're so glad that you have chosen to be a part of us. I am Nathan Carnes, informally noted as Nate Carnes. I'm the interim director of the Center of Teaching Excellence. CTE is one of the units that works under the provost office and is dedicated to supporting faculty members to be their excellent best and most impressionable self and raising the quality of learning at the University of South Carolina. A number of resources that are available to you in terms of people. We have a very enthusiastic instructional design team that is willing to help you plan your syllabus, implement pedagogical practices that have known to be effective, looking at assessment and linking those strategies to your expectations. And we also have a person dedicated to supporting graduate teaching assistants for those of you who have graduate teaching assistants in your courses. And she also helps with the instructional development team. Not to mention, we also have online resources available to you in the form of a diversity, inclusion, equity toolbox, as well as an assessment toolbox, and a myriad of other things that may be of interest. CTE also offers grants that support teaching innovations. And we also have a community of learning practice, particularly for those who teach large classes. Okay, just a few points of advice or pieces of advice to give you as you're starting. I would say, one, enjoy the trip. This is a great and noble profession. I have been an educator for over 40 years, and I have had so many pleasant experiences with students of all grade levels. One of the biggest tools that I have in my toolbox is getting to know the students for whom they are. When you do that, you're able to customize and make adjustments in your instruction so that the students get the most out of the course and out of you. Plus, you may become a pleasant fixture in their memory. I look forward to meeting you in person on Friday, August 12th. At the new faculty orientation. Now, they say there is no free lunch. However, there will be free lunch on that day. So come and join us, and there may be free parking for those of you who need it. There will also be door prizes for you to take home as a memorandum of this wonderful experience that we're going to have. I look forward to meeting you.